Yes, guys, boys and girls, we're back. We're right at it where we left off.
I'm really outside OT and the ops don't fly cause they talk too cheap.
Just a little intro, London Open, let's get it.
I'm in Louis V and Patty. I've been stunning like Pops in a Benzo, getting top front seat, bad little freak. We don't spin no blocks, we counting that guap, lead that killer shit to the BGs. And the drip came straight from the runway, like an airline gave me the fleet. When them teens gon' choose when you drippin' in juice like Pac, all eyes on me.
So yeah, it took some catch out.
Wednesday we ain't getting no
Trying to get a balance even now.
Point like a due date. Akon, no, not lonely. Got a praise up top when I'm stacking up G's. Remember the block, that shit was just Dream Tea House with a low.
I've got liquidity at all the way to daily open at 28.98, so we still have like 10 bucks of move, you know? At least 1,000 points.
Like getting new teeth, but I turn it to paint like I was O'Keefe. No, I can't be tamed, no leash. I feel like I'm James, I'm leading the league. Got a gang in every
I
region.
feel like James, I'm in the league. Hey,
we cut your brain like straight out of scene. I'm really outside OT and the ops don't fly cause they talk too cheap. I'm in Capital and JP. I'm in Louis V and Patty. I've been stunning like Pops in a Benzo, getting top front seat, bad little freak. We don't spin no blocks, we counting that guap, lead that killer shit to the BGs. And the drip came straight from the runway, like an airline gave me the fleet. When teens gon' choose when you drippin' in Jews like Pac, all eyes on me. If the club going up on a Tuesday, Wednesday we ain't getting no sleep. And I stay on point like a due date. Akon, no, I'm not lonely. Tell a bitch no time for teasy. Second you blessed like she on her knees. 2-5 got text in the Jeep, we burning her flesh. Soon as you step to the breach, I'll test last name be the peace. Don't tempt, I've been off the meds for more than a week. When I land on shores, I'm raising her paws as soon as a nigga was seen. Like too much toast, she a hot one. Gotta watch how you roll, been speaking in code, cause niggas get smoked, be the outcome. Like OB traces a setup. I'ma throw that dice till 4, 5, 6 show up. I'm a real go-getter. Rose gold with a stone like Setter. James Bond, yellow gold Beretta. I'm really outside OT and the ops don't fly cause they talk too cheap. I'm in Capital and JP. I'm in Louis V and Patty. I've been stunning like Pops in a Benzo, getting top front seat, bad little freak. We don't spin no blocks, we counting that guap, lead that killer shit to the BGs. And the drip came straight from the runway, like an airline gave me the fleet. When them teens gon' choose when you drippin' in Jews like Pac, all eyes on me. If the club going up on a Tuesday, Wednesday we ain't getting no sleep.
If I trade going up on a Tuesday, on Wednesday they get no sleep. That's how it's gonna be, baby. That's how it's gonna be, baby. Fuck it, risk it for the biscuit, innit? If anything, we got scratchers with another position, so I'm not too fussed about it. Just some new fire from AK the Savior, man. Go listen to this guy.
Screaming niggas ain't shit, but you really can't judge why you doing dirt, bitch. But you keep it on a hush, that's why a nigga moving no trust. Have a nigga in the back like he ain't spraying racks for the love. And that cat never scratch, no glove. She fucking with the pack, she a dub. My cell phone ring, but I let that shit buzz. I'm fucking on her friends, yeah, I'm all up in the guts. I'm all up in the guts. Fuck out my face, I ain't hearing that shit. Fuck out my place, now you living average. Try to extort a nigga for the fucking cabbage, but at one time never turned to a habit. A nigga like me ain't never been G. She tried to run game on a PIMP. Had to go ghost like stars on the stream. Then I made a toast with a squad, you the team. Yeah, now she get passed around like she a carousel. I wouldn't try that, my nigga might have a smell. You might get tied up, that bitch, she be casting spells. Yeah, don't like no titles, we floating, so let it sail. I move in silence, I don't like to leave a trail. When I'm inside, I go deep, I don't need a well. She tryna get close like playing the post, but I had to go bench that bitch. I'm telling my bros, gotta stay on your toes, fuck around and lose businesses. I know how it go, I've been on the road, I was one of them witnesses. But I still can't judge when a nigga ain't love, he ain't never gonna listen to shit. He ain't never gonna listen. Don't hit my phone up, playing the victim. You shouldn't know this ain't love, this addiction. Pushing and shoving, now we really distant. She like your rough, that resistance. But there ain't no making up, girl, enough is enough. Got a new thing, she look like a vixen. Back to the streets, bitch, where you done came. I leveled up in real life, this no game. Heard you been hanging and fucking all late, but I know you just hurt cause you lost the cocaine. Fuck it, at least you escaping the pain.
They're into something. This might be a setup to shoot up, you know?
Until I'm engraved with no splashing them honeys, they buzzing, they sting. She tryna get close like playing the post, but I had to go bench that bitch. I'm telling my bros, gotta stay on your toes, fuck around and lose businesses. I know how it go, I've been on the road, I was one of them witnesses. But I still can't judge when a nigga ain't love, he ain't never gonna listen to shit.
Come on, Get that shit. Get that shit.
My bros gotta stay on your toes, fuck around and lose businesses. I know how it go, I've been on the road, I was one of them witnesses. But I still can't judge when a nigga in love, he ain't never gonna listen to shit. He ain't never gonna listen to shit. He ain't never gonna listen to shit. He ain't never gonna listen to shit.
See, London's opening in like 1 hour. London's opening in 1 hour, so we got Frankfurt running up the show right now, preparing for the Brinks. They're just gonna set up for London. Either way, it's gonna do something. That's it, guys. We end that shit now. It's time to focus. Alright, let me move that there a little bit quick. I'll be taking a risk, but I do not care, man. Is that how it's gonna be? It's a long narrative as well, you know. See about go time or sell time. Let's see. This would be the point where I would say, yeah, if it goes above, I have to exit. If it doesn't, we just keep it on, but it should drop from here, really. Really and truly, if not, we switch directions to recover the shit. Either way, it's a win-win. If it doesn't do what I want it to do, it's most likely gonna do a level 2. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Tell me. I'm anticipating a short move down to the daily open, which would be at the 28.98. But listen, if it's not there, it's not there. I don't control the market, right? So whichever way they want it to be, it'll be, you know, like, I got no control over it. I just joined the party. That's all I do. FCon, shit. Like that, huh? I'm good with my risk, honestly. I'm good with my risk. I ain't touching this. Until these positions are profitable, there's no point in adding to a losing trade right now. It's a losing trade at the moment. So I have to be patient and control my greed factor, even though I am anticipating that move. What guarantees it that it's gonna go my way? There's nothing that guarantees it. It looks like it's about to go against me. Just crossed. Let's check this. It's the last 3 minutes of the hour and the start of a new hourly candle, so there's gonna be a move. Now this would be a valid level to play if it wasn't at the top and there wasn't a divergence happening. That is what's keeping me in this trade, right? Man, it closes above. Might as well exit. It looks like he wants to really. I'm getting a little bit too hot for myself. Just take off my hoodie. You can't. Fully recovered. What's the move here? What's the move? Should be a continued drop. Should be, could be, would be, right? All I can see right now is that it's retracing. But will it retrace to VWAP then drop, or is it just gonna make a level 2 penetrate the whole range? You just don't know these things. But ideally, I would like it to do what it's doing now. It's a level 2 sell, broke the low. Yeah, that's valid. There we go again. Fast, slow, fast. So looking at 800 EMA, there's a potential point to take profits, really. Just around here, and that would be me pretty much in a good position. But you see how they're moving. Yeah, no, it's a bit, you know. It's just how it is, really. Let me just lower this a little bit more so that actually no, let's keep it what it is. That's aggregation candle. Now, do they mean business? Do you mean business, my boy?
What's up? What's up? What's up? Shit. Oh man, this is bad. Come on. Get ready to scratch this. Yeah. Fuck scratchers. Got hit. Because of the spread. Shit, that was a bad fill. That was a really bad fill. Just give me a reason, Texas. Give me a reason. Alright, 1, 2, 3, right? So this is gonna continue.
We absorbed it. So now we're gonna wait.
We're gonna wait. Because you see gold is just, it's not doing what it's supposed to do right now. It's not. Fuck you, 50 points. Definitely scratchers, man. I don't know. I gotta minimize my risks. -10. Yeah. Now this bad boy. You're gonna wait. You just need to give it some space to breathe. Like. Because it could be a VSL, right? It could be a VSL pattern and I could just get fucked. See how they're moving the spread? See how they're moving the spread? They just want to tap my stops. Come on. There we go. We're good, man. We're good. I'm just gonna have to wait and see what the fuck's going on. We just broke this. So we're good. No, yeah, I just want to see what the fuck's going on. Because we're in a, just aggressive push down during Brinks box. Right now we're in the Brinks box, 8 o'clock sharp. So they're starting to mark down. Recover the Asian build-up for them. Because usually the Asia will set up for London, London will set up for New York, and that's how they operate. That's the rules of the engagement, you know. Inside of business. 3 continents working as one, pretty much. There's my entry. Alright, now that sucks.
Sucks.
Shame the entries got taken. But it is what it is. Nah, we put in another one. Yeah, no, most definitely have to scratch this, guys. Ah, you can't. Let's see. They had their moments though. Now, this next candle is kinda important. Very important to see if it's going to continue or not. I believe it will. Maybe not. Listen, they break above that, I got a dip. Like it or not. Shit. Now, hoping there's not much strategy in this, right? So are they gonna be playing the range, or they decide to switch it up and reverse it? Because they can reverse it easily just as they wish to do it, you know, it's not up to me. It's not up to anyone but them and the liquidity that's on the market, you know. They're just gonna go for whichever target is the most profitable for them, or where they want to price to go so they can set it up for the next thing. But I think before they go to 3K, they have to mark down just a little bit. You know, it's not doing what I wanted to do, so might as well exit. Let's see this candle. Give me a reason, man. Yeah, I kind of got excited with that next candle. I did get a little bit overexcited. That's why I'm experiencing more of a drawdown than I would anticipate. But for some reason, it just naturally feels right. So what's it gonna be? You sucker. Yeah. It's gonna reverse, isn't it? Looks like, I mean, shit, they had all this time to go. Two red vectors. The price. What's the price doing? There's only so much shit I can take, you know? 25. And it breaks above this. I just have no choice but to exit. Should have been quicker to exit this. Should have been quicker to exit this.
I should have been quicker to exit this.
It's okay though. It's okay. But these guys ain't stopping, you know. They ain't stopping. Let's see this level 2 now. On the first test we enter. You have a break above. And we're going to 1922, or you break down. And we're going to back to the daily open, which would be here. So it's one or the other. Then got liquidity here on these sides. So what's it gonna be? That's a level to sell, if I'm not mistaken. PPS is showing me the clear picture of this. Right. Fair enough. Like, even if it goes back my way, like, what's it to say? It's not gonna continue to 20s. I just can't take that risk on this account. Like, it's just impossible. I'll get blown. I don't have the capital to absorb. It's just quick in, quick out. And if I do build a position, it has to be break evens all the time. Like, see this. Can put one in. No, I can't. Am I tripping? Yeah, I think I was tripping. I mean, there's a reason that failed. There's a reason this failed. So now I want to see that reason play out. Yeah, I'm aiming for that daily open, man. It should be like a fat move. If 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 it managed to sustain below the 200, because it had 1-2 straight drop down, so 800 is like the next target, right? And then we see how it behaves at 800. We'll take some positions off if it survives this. Well, it sure as hell is volatile. A subnormal divergence. You can't, it's not doing what I want it to do. Either way, I'm in a win-win situation because I already got the shorts in. And if it doesn't go, fair enough, we just take a bit of a loss, switch directions. So I'm in the best possible situation that I could be. You know, if I'm wrong, but I'm never in doubt. I'm in full confidence that whichever way they decide to go, it'll be positive for me. Whichever way, up or down, it doesn't matter. I know I'll get it. And you have to be in a state of knowing to really appreciate this game. There's been just loads of build-up right now. I mean, I'm looking at 120 pounds profit from just these two positions, granted if I don't take anything else extra, you know. Now the balancing of Reebok. Head and shoulders. Yeah, we wanted to break this major whole number, bounce to the quarter, maybe even the half. And then we'd be looking to scale in. Right now I'm good. I'm gonna take one of the positions off at 2904.8 and leave the other one. Look to scale in with whatever we have. Yeah, we're probably just gonna do the London Open till 11, then take a little break, come back during the Yankees, and we'll just see. One second. Yeah, now we're back. We just had a little. Just had to take care of something. Say what? Minus 10. Minus 10. Alright. I'm looking to go in again, man. That is madness. That is legit madness. If I get a continue on the major whole number, definitely going there. Let's see now. Getting ready. Gonna double down. Oh boy, look at these guys, man. They ain't letting me build my positions, man, a piece. They're not letting me. Why? Why you gotta be like that, man? Fuck that. There's something else going on here, man. Something that I'm not seeing. But what am I missing? Alright, let's just chill. But I know there's gonna be a move. Either up or down. Shit. I mean, yeah, you could argue don't just let it breathe and play out, but man, look at the lots, look at the account size. It's not about letting it play out, it's just about catching the right one time. That's it. For real. One, two, three. They didn't close. They tried it. Just a little bit of fuckery. Just to get us going. 10, come on. The spread. It's the spreads, man. It's the spreads.
Excuse me.
So what's the move here? Alright. Sucks. Sucks. Just break even, break even, break even, break even, break even. These bad boys are the ones that I should have cut out. Yeah, they're eating my entries, you know. Look at this. This just in line with fuckery. That's a trap, you know. For some reason, I just have that gut feeling. I mean, they did a lot of work. Goes about this. Might as well exit. Yeah, if it don't go my way, the only next logical thing is just to exit and switch directions. Change the bias. Doesn't look like it wants to go at all. Doesn't look like it, doesn't look like it, but then it's at the feedback. That's the problem, right? I got positions below it. Risky, bad. It's risky business. know, gonna have to exit this. They clearly got a cork in their ass about this level. Clearly got a cork in their ass about this level. They just add the VWAP, gain a good fill, setting up, there's a gap, recover that, drop. There's that commitment. It's that commitment I've been looking for, man. It's in line with the traps, in line with the traps. Times 10. Minimize that risk. Minimize risk. Minimize risk. Minimize risk. I would say this is too dodgy for me, but what the fuck are they doing? This would be the new place. So just broke the current low. Alright, brother. Okay, there it is. Each time I think it's gonna go, it just doesn't go. Two pins. Seems like a trouble, man. Seems like a trouble. Yeah, nah, that is a trouble one. It's anyone's game at this point, really and truly. I mean, I've got both setups valid. Sorry guys, I'm just a little bit tired. I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna drink any coffee today, but fuck me. It's God. There's a gap. See you later. I crazy or what? Alright, so we're in the zone. Should be a move to 23s. Alright, we switch up. Plain and simple, switch up. Could be a better entry than this. Or at least $1.60 to lock it in. One, two, three. Level 2. Level 2. Level 2. So 3 times, yeah. Oh, what's it gonna be? Because I'm pretty sure these guys, they didn't come here to fuck around. They came here to trap people and just get the money. The point is, you gotta figure out where the trap is. What's it gonna be, boyo? What's it gonna be? I believe it. There's no point. It's a risky move buying at the top as well. I'm risking like $1 anyways. It's a stopping volume candle right at the top. So what isn't it? What was to say? There's no retrace on that. We're risk free.
Let's just let this boy run, man. Let them do their business. Let them do their business. Alright, there it is.
There it is. It's just a bigger level 2. That's what's happening. It's just a bigger level 2. Now let's see these retraces. Cause it's going to the fucking 1922, so we got nice $10 of movement, and then each retrace the primary or secondary in between somewhere. We just capitalize on that. And that's it, get the mitigation range. It's the buy zone. My protective target is literally like at the point where you're gonna test it. Jeez. I'm gonna leave it for a bit. I'm gonna go make a coffee, man. I'm a bit sleepy in this. I don't know if you guys ever had that when you're trading and you're just like, I wanna sleep. Just give me a second. Come back now. Perfect. Perfect. Come on. We're in. Gonna have to wait now. No coffee for me. Gotta make sure this is in the clear. Ah, you fucking cunt. F-con it. F-con it. Come on, that's a beautiful level 1. If they pull through, man, if they pull through, if they don't, then yeah, tough shit, boy. I mean, I know we're in a markup phase. We're literally at the start of a bigger picture level 2. So what does that say about me, man? How do I want this to serve me? God damn. These guys ain't playing like that, man. They ain't playing like that, boy. Alright, we're gonna have a BSG squeeze soon. Stomach's hungry as well, man. Just got a full shebang of survival things going on in the body. Oh, survival signals. Lie down, you gotta eat. Yeah, you gotta drink some water. You gotta do this, that. Man. Super close. You think I could? Oh man. Just give me a second. Give me a second. I mean, this would be the best point to enter, right? Oh boy. This is a level 2 as well. If it goes above, that's a level 2 valid. I'm gonna put down a little bit of size in. It's just a patience game, boys and girls. Patience game. Patience game. How comfortable are you sitting in large profits? How comfortable you are sitting in losses? I'm pretty comfy at both, so. Give me a fucking reason. Ask and you shall receive. Hey, what is going on, fam? Nah, level 2 entry right over here. Come on, close above that. Close above that, man. What are they waiting for? London Open. 9 minutes. Stopping volume candle. How come? What's the play here? What's the play here? What are you telling me, man? What are you trying to say? What are the odds of it snapping back? They're there. The odds are there. I mean, they mitigated it, right? Should be a W, shift out. It's now or never. Jesus. 1, 2, 3, come on. Primary, secondary. Shit, boys.
And girls. Oh god.
It's gotta go, it's gotta go. It's been set up for it. Alright. Let me just see the shift out, then I can talk about getting a coffee or something, bro. It's a key moment in the chart. I just wanted to go above. Actually, let me just use this. This is where I wanted to go. I need to go above this. At least for me to like put everything in scratchers or I have a break-even positions, and yeah, I can just go get myself a coffee or something. There we go. There we go. Thank you so much. Now we write it. The sucker should not come back. Let's put -1. That's it. Stop me out. Fuck it, man. I'll pause it. I'll be back. I'm gonna go get a quick coffee. Alright, we're back. It got a little bit fucked up. Yeah, got a little bit fucked up. Got a little bit fucked up. Can't say nothing, man. Just too much risk. Too much risk. I was like, I'm seeing the opportunity, you know, I'm like, shit. I gotta load up, but I loaded up here, not here. That's the problem. Now I'm paying the cost. Eating my margin. It cost me like £70 in entries, failed entries for this opportunity. Maybe I'm just too greedy. That's all it is. Maybe I'm just too greedy. You better go. You better go. Holy shit, I'm happy with the cost, but damn. They really be fucking with me, man. We got news in 18 minutes. We got news in 18 minutes. I got 0.20 lots in. I have to see something that would favor further move. I'm gonna add in the rest. And it will be full margin. Just let it breathe, huh? Just let it breathe. I think that would be the wisest choice. Just let it breathe, man. We got news as well, you know. I mean, I'm playing the narrative. Look, I was a level 2 when I broke this, came back, broke it again. So what does that say, man? What does this say? This says it should go higher. So why is it stalling? Either waiting for the news or something? I don't know. They're just stalling it. And that's the worst thing. It goes below this. It probably will. And it did. Yeah, no, that's a bad fucking move, man. Eesh. Fucking. Is there a turnaround after this? Potentially, but goddamn. Potentially there's a turnaround. Potentially. Just preparing it. Priming it. Didn't close. Didn't close. Just the way they snapped it back should tell me something about it. One, two, three. We're in the perfect angle to shift out. Perfect angle, like, look. The price has been mitigated. And these guys are priming it. But what's it gonna be? A drop or a rise? It's in the middle. That's a W. Bigger picture is telling me long. Bigger picture is telling me long. There's a fat W, man.
Man. Sweating, guys, sweating.
$5 move a break even for the day. Look how they're doing this. Look at it. This is dangerous. It's just above the key level. I got 10 seconds. I got 10 seconds to get the fuck out of this trade. Now, what's it gonna be? Close below. For fuck's sake. For fuck's sake, man. For fuck's sake. Look how they're playing this game, man. It's just insane. What are they trying to do here? Trying to get people to believe. If it's a long narrative, trying to get people to believe that it's gonna drop. Most likely they're building up longs as it drops. And I have to dip. I have to really dip. I don't even want to know. Let me see this. We're at a 50, man. This all could have been avoided. Just the next 10 minutes, man. I mean, so much aggression, like, to move down and just not hitting it. For a reason, right? There's 1, there's a 2, there's a 3, now there's a 4. They're fighting over it, they're really fighting over it. Which one's gonna prevail? Can't say I'm happy with this, no way. Look how far it is away from my entry, man. Shit. Yeah, second close and just it's gonna fuck me. If I stay in this trade, it's gonna fuck me, that's what I know. But we're at the tipping point of this whole thing, like, it was my mistake. definitely was. In a buy band now. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Shit. Has to go, man. Has to go and continue, otherwise, yikes, boy. The momentum has just dropped off completely. It has to continue. Has to be a positive close, otherwise, damn. I could be bleeding. I could be bleeding in this, you know. But then the lowest point actually is here. Didn't touch it. So it's still good in that sense. Still good. And we've got news in 7 minutes. We've got news in 7 minutes. You got Bailey speaking, man. What was it? Yeah, Bank of England Governor Bailey. Obviously, they're gonna say the inflation is rising in UK, because it is, right? So naturally, UK investors would put their money into gold as a hedge against inflation.
All the geopolitical uncertainty.
I mean, you got peace talks here, but the inflation, you got the inflation, which is gonna keep pushing gold up, from my opinion. And yeah, nah, it should be just that. Should be just that. One, two, third one, please. And we're good for our target to the 1922s. Get a third one. Get a third one. Yeah, I have to really control my size. I have to really control my size. Oh, don't give me that, don't give me that. Touch that, bounce back, continue up. Stopping volume. They're preparing. Yeah, the risk is really putting me in a position where to like I have to just chill. Chill, boy, chill. loading up. Done all this, all these level 2s. I mean, you bought at this range, like they really bought at this range. And it didn't break the low at the buy band final point. I mean, yeah, nah, it's just, I have strong conviction of this trade. I have strong conviction of this long. If it doesn't work out, well, fuck it, man. They overpowered. The commercials got overpowered. And that's what it is. They got overpowered by the other commercials or whatever the competition is, you know? And it was my fault for putting this much risk on. So, what else can I say, really? Two minutes. Fuck. Ridiculous, bro. Ridiculous. Green vector rising above the VWAP. Oh, they mean business, man. Or they might be setting it up. But I think they mean business. I think they mean business. We got a direction. Watch this backfire, man. Fuck it. Yeah, we mean business. Long, boom, short. Fuck it. We'll see now, man. Come on. Oh, shit. Any of you guys watching right now, props to you for watching this, man. Because not everybody watches these long videos, man. Like, and that's the whole point of this. I ain't gonna give you the sauce and like fucking 3-minute tutorial. Nah, man, we watch me trade, man. Learn from me. And then it goes, bam, markdown. The guy turns out around and says, yeah, we're good. Shouldn't be like that, though. There it is. Starting. Let's see. Do I have the speech? Maybe I can bring up the speech. Let me get a headset on. Man like Bailey. Filters like today. Nah. Fuck it, man. We survived it. Fuck's sake. Buy it. I think I got one more position in me. Come on, we just went out of 50 cloud. Where can I find this guy speaking, man? Let me try and find this. FOMC, you know, it's not like that. Oh, don't pause now. Don't pause now. Shit. That's mad. That's mad. That's where we're going though. Come on, let's see this. Give me the fucking moolah. Alright. Fuck it. Just in case, right? Just in case they decide to fuck me. Where's this dude, man? It breaks this high, right? It breaks this high. We're off to a good start to the day. It breaks that high, we're off to a good start of the day. I just don't like the way it's stolen. But it's just natural things. It's just natural things for the gold to behave like. There you go, he said something. 5 minutes in, they're already like, oh shit. Where can I find the speech? I'm trying to find the speech. But then who's reacting to this? Like, where they streaming the speech? I don't understand. You're telling me only the banker boys are playing this? Let me go to the news section. They're really testing it. For some reason. For some reason, they're testing the fuck out of this. Tapped it, didn't break it. God damn. why they moving like that. It's just a setup to drop, isn't it? Looks like it. Like, what's the gain here? Set up all these buys, shift out, touch the high, come back in, load up. What's the gain? Look. We went into the mitigation range. So clearly there's something up their ass. Again. Oh, you can't. I'm gonna have to close this. And there's no further trades for me. Like, I'm gonna end the morning session right here, you know. That I'm confident they'll go. I am confident. I just know, in a sense, that it doesn't make sense for them to go down at the moment. It doesn't. Unless they get overpowered. Unless. That's the only reason. Why would it go down? It's 3 candles below. Shit. It's now or never. Because they have to break to one point. So they're at the 50 on the 5 minutes. So we just been caught out in this consolidation phase. And it was my fault as a trader of putting too much risk on. So I couldn't even sustain these moves. You know? But what's it gonna be? They're so aggressive in the first candle, right? The first like second of the candle, they're super aggressive with it. And then we just get this little fuckery of a move. I see down that was a level 2. Continued. Fuck you, man. Fuck you. Fuck you, man. What's it gonna be, boyo? Why is it so difficult? been a gap. This guy's fucking with me. I'm just interested to see, what did he say? How much more of this we have to pull through till I get a decision from them on a break direction? Because they're playing a funny game here. I don't like it, not one bit. Should be pushing up, really, truly. Let's look at it 15 minutes. Yeah, we're stalling. In the fat range. They've been accumulating these positions, like, so I think if London's really accumulating, then New York is more likely to go above the target. Ah, you can't. Look at this. That is a problem that I just don't want to face right now. Back at the Viva, it's just stolen. We're in a period of high uncertainty. Disinflation is continuing. We are facing a weak growth environment in the UK. So what's the game plan here? Yeah. Come on. These guys, they're fucking with me. That's what they did. Plain and simple, they're fucking with me. There it is. How come? How come? How come? Shit. Nah, I really fucked up. They're in a fat ass consolidation. And I'm just stuck in that range, and I bought in at the upper end of that range. What does that mean? That means I have to absorb more drawdown than I like to. Listen, I'm gonna have to dip. I'm gonna have to dip. It doesn't close the way I want it to close. I'm gonna have to dip. 10 seconds. Strong close. It has to be a strong close for some reason. They're stalling the fuck out of this. On a PPS 0.8, they're just basically bouncing around the fucking primary. It's in line with consolidations, but what I'm looking for is a continual pattern. They just have to go to the 14s. But right now, as it stands, careful language was chosen to highlight increased uncertainty. So when investors are uncertain, they usually jump into the safe haven assets like gold. But what's the deal? What's the deal? Is it seal? I said it didn't make sense for them to sell off. It just doesn't make sense. The low was not broken, so the trade's still valid. Even though I would say like it nearly caught me out. It nearly caught me out, boy. Shit. We gotta continue. We're good. We're good for the next. We're good to the target. But if it's still not getting it, I'm like anticipating that continue to happen. You guys don't see what I'm seeing, but look, this is where we've been this whole time this recording's been on. So as a level 2 play, right, we got our entry. Now we know this is it's going there to the target. As soon as we get a continue, we're off to the races. But right now, as it stands, we're anticipating. We haven't got the confirmation, so I've been anticipating this whole thing. Initially I was like, yeah, cool, this is where it's gonna go. It didn't. It just kept bouncing and bouncing and bouncing. But I see a W. If it don't, then it's an M, we're dropping. But that's a level 2 right here. So we will come back to 11, so we keep pushing, because look how high they closed, for a reason, obviously. Everything for a reason. Let's change it to 1 minute. Red, green, shit. Bailey, bro, if you just set me up for the day, but I need the market to absorb this idea right now. And they're doing it in a very slow manner. It has to bounce from here. It has to bounce. It ain't bouncing. We're fucked. It's bouncing. There it is, there it is, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna go for a piss, we'll be back. We'll pause it and come back. I'm back. You already know your boy was running to that toilet, bro. Just quick. And done now. The price is on, the movement is on, so we gotta be on it. I don't know if you ever guys had this when you have to like trade and you're like, shit, I gotta go piss. Like, well, I can't leave the chart. No, man. And you just like quickly, bam. What the fuck is going on? Two hours long already, man. Yo. These guys are playing, testing the 13, playing, man. They're playing. Continue, we got it. Fuck it. We're in max loss. Shit. Why though? Why you gotta do me like that? Wait, let me bring this up. Let's copy, yeah. No, not this. I need there is it. Second copy. There it is. All right, now we're on. Come on, break it. Push out. Done deal. Easy cash. So you guys watch 2 hours of how to handle fucking consolidations. And still, doesn't mean we're in the clear. Doesn't mean we're in the clear. It could turn around and smack me in the face just now. Like, at this moment, right now. It could just do that easily. Doesn't mean we're done. We still haven't broken this high. In that sense, we haven't broken it. We have to break it. So for that to happen, we have to have a continual. They're playing games. They're playing games, man. RTU. There it is. There it is. There it is. Now he has to continue. He has to push. If it stops, that's a M. M would mean drop to here or complete violation of the range and failed trade. So a wise man will put everything as scratchers. And then we got just these two bad boys running risks, I mean, without being risk free. So we definitely want to wait and see what's the move. What's the move? What they planning? What they planning? So far we're good. So far we're good. The price is above the 13. Not anymore. For fuck's sake, boy, what the fuck are you doing, fam? Bruh. Super risky what I'm doing right now. Super risky. Extremely risky. But I mean, they made a W, like you can see it here. They're just gonna keep going. And that 22 is the target. Stopping volume at the top. Tap the 13. Close the bow. They're clearly in a mood to mark up. Like there's a W here. It's just these losses here, and then these bad boys that have to cut out are the things that like holding us back right now. But shit. Nah, they mean business. They really do mean business. Okay, another entry here. Now I got 4 positions. The news came out, the speech came out, gold positive, right? So the price should rise in that sense, but then they could just mark down and then rise, and the account would not sustain this loss or the drawdown. It's just impossible with this account size. Red vectors were like, damn. Stolen. What for? It's a game. Nah, these guys are crazy, man. Honestly, like, it's just not in the cards today. At the moment, the new low is here. So why? Tell me why. How come? $4 down, I ain't surviving this. The only hope, well, the only chance for it to really like rise is bounce off the VWAP at the moment, but it sucks. This gap. Can I get a bounce? No equity. No margin. No margin. Man, fuck you. It's highly unlikely now that it's going to continue. Highly unlikely. So continue. The odds improve. Odds decrease. They could take this. They could take this easily. Easily. If they wanted to, they could take that, no problems. Just a little W, come on, STVC right now. We would have a valid opportunity to enter another trade if it goes above this point. Right here. What's the game plan? the fuck are you guys trying to do? I'm best to exit. It's not doing what I wanted to do. This is the last point of fuck's sake. Just have to wait. I don't see an exit just yet, but I don't see much movement as well, so just stalling. They're just stalling. Yeah, I have to go to 15s like or not. This is a pain in the ass. Royal. I'll close it. Oh shit. But don't fuck with me, man. bitch. Such a cunt. Hmm. Tečerim te. It's gone. Yeah. This whole conviction is hanging by the thread. Just is hanging by the thread, really. I have to see something from them immediately. Otherwise, it's a goner, man.
They're just stuck in such a funny range that I shouldn't have been trading here. It's just not happening. Honestly. It's just not happening. It's just not happening. Look.
Let's zoom out, let's see this. This is how you lose 50% of your account. Let's go smackaroo. I'll come back, I'll pause it. And we're done. Alright, so made a good decision to exit. The read though, the read. Could this be the level 2 I'm looking for? That would propel this price back to where it has to be. But I ain't done yet, you know, look at this. Just made myself some green tea. Came back. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to wait. We'll see what's going on. As time goes further and further in. Yeah, we're gonna stop it, come back at like New York open. We'll see what's up.